Staging your home to sell is a very important step toward getting top dollar. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make a great first impression on buyers. Start with your curb appeal. Make sure that you mow your lawn, lay down some fresh mulch, plant some flowers, and pressure wash your walkways. You want to provide an inviting space that buyers can imagine living a healthy lifestyle in. So make sure that it's light and bright. Don't use any really heavy curtains. Make sure that you remove any furniture that's actually too big for the room that makes it look cramped. And you really want to make sure that you put a fresh coat of paint on the walls, but choose a neutral color so that buyers can visualize their own furniture in the space. Cleanliness is the key. Give your bathroom and your kitchen a really good deep clean. You want buyers to walk in and see the appliances sparkling. Make sure that you dust off all of your air vents and steam clean your carpets to make sure that the home smells fresh. If you decide to use an air freshener, be sure it's not overpowering. If it is, buyers might think that you're trying to hide something unpleasant. If your home is unfurnished, your realtor can actually virtually stage the home. This is a really cost-effective way for staging, and it also allows buyers to see the home both vacant and furnished. This is great because many buyers like to be able to visualize their own furniture in the space. For more information on staging your home to sell, head on over to the Smarts tab at Relativity, the site for intelligent real estate.